There are renewed calls for the government to lift the curfew orders, which were implemented to limit the spread of COVID-19. Public commentator Dennis Chung believes the measures in place are inadequate and need to go. Details in this report.
A study evaluating COVID-19 responses around the world found that mandatory lockdown orders implemented early in the pandemic may not provide benefits to slowing the spread of the disease. The study compared cases in England, Germany, France, and the United States, all countries that implemented mandatory lockdown orders, with those from South Korea and Sweden, countries which implemented less stringent measures. The results showed that less restrictive or more restrictive measures did little to curb the transmission of the virus. It's for that reason public commentator Dennis Chung is suggesting Jamaica cannot sustain the nightly curfew throughout 2021 without risking lasting damage to the economy.
I mean, if you slow the economy down, particularly the entertainment industry, which is where a lot of people make money. So when a dance is kept, the earnings start from before the date of the event.
Mr. Chung says the curfews are unsustainable and he's calling on the government to lift them.
There are a lot of people in this country who what they earn during the day is what causes them to eat at night, right? And their children to eat at night. It is not sustainable also for us to keep children out of school. They have to go back. I mean, that affects productivity also.
One medical practitioner is also in support of relaxing the measures. Dr. Alfred Dawes believes it's an avenue the government should explore.
The approach needs to be a tighten and loosen whenever it is deemed necessary. Whenever you have the numbers of hospitalizations and deaths coming down, then you can free up a little bit.
Sasha Lee Hamilton, TVJ News.